How to fix and solve the eBay app listing error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to fix the listing error on eBay app, here is how you can get it fixed. First step, check for system maintenance or downtime. If it is an issue from the server side of eBay, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed. In order to check it, you can visit eBay's system status page. Another thing you need to confirm is account information. Ensure your eBay account is in a good standing and there's no restriction or issues with your account. Check for account notifications that might explain the issue. Confirm that your payment information and billing address are up to date. Also ensure your item meets eBay's policy. Sometimes listing errors occur if your item or the item you're trying to list does not meet the eBay's guideline. Review the eBay's listing policies and make sure your item is not restricted or prohibited. After that, head over to app info of eBay, then on storage and cache, and then clear the cache. After that, restart the eBay app, update it to the latest version by going to App Store or Play Store, and you are good to go. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.